All right, you guys, we're here in Fulton, New York for Big Truck Day. Come check us out. Whoa.
Good job. And cover your ears, everyone.
Good job, buddy.
It's still so loud.
One over there is bad.
I like them sensory hours. Very fun.
Yeah, right.
Where?
Josh, how'd you get all the way up there, buddy?
All right, Noah.
Sarah is my big girl.
Josh, don't go in without us.
Nice yellow truck. Oh my, that is loud. Come on down, Noah. Oh yeah, that's a big one. 18-wheeler probably. I know Josh can't wait to get in there. This guy had a very busy winter, guys. We got 13 feet of snow in central New York. That's more snow than I've ever seen in my life anywhere else combined. Oh wow, this one needs a whole ladder. DOT.
Wood inside and then it just, the trees inside and then it just cut it out. Probably not.
Only when it's on, it does.
When it's on,
This place is like Disneyland for kids. For country kids.
do you need help, buddy?
He's like, I got this, mom.
He's got a brave one. She always pays. So I had to go in and drop her off.
Doesn't have a horn.
You could drive it.
How does it feel being so tall up? Like it?
Too high? This is massive. This one's pushing snow on all three sides here. Look. 1, 2, 3, you guys. This is a serious truck. It's a New York State truck. There's another 18-wheeler. Some free candy here, more than likely. This is an all-American event. Tow truck? No, you see the tow truck? Towing the brand new pickup truck? Dumpster truck? We gotta get on the helicopter, guys.
Careful, careful, careful.
It's gotta be one of those.
Sarah, you okay? This is one of the cleanest trucks I've ever seen. Look at this, not a speck of dirt on this. What is this? Mighty Duck? Yeah, Mighty Duck. School bus. Put up the stop sign, Noah. Nice.
No, what is it? Like 7 right now. What's your number? And then I asked you a question.
Press this one. If the concrete is in that barrel, the barrel will spin and it'll come down the chute. Yep.
Good job, Josh.
Believe it or not, that's the quietest air horn we have.
Set, go! No! You said run, Samuel.
Yeah, but rolling is so much more fun. Let's just face the facts. Let's just face the facts, mommy. You gotta face the facts. You gotta do more laundry. All right, Noah, go in the military car. All right, you guys. I gotta wait in line for a helicopter ride. How cool is that? So I told my kids, please do not fly it away.
Ring finger, and this is your purple pointer.
This is your pointer.
No, it's this my purple pointer.
Index. Ring, pinky.
You ready?
How is it, Josh? All right. It's amazing, but all right, let's get Sarah in there. Go ahead, Noah. So you guys do organ transplants?
Like transporting, yeah, sometimes in our bigger aircraft because they usually take more people.
Where's the patient? You
On the other side, that sled system.
oh, so
that
it comes
swivels
into this.
in.
I see.
Yep, and it'll be parallel with the pilot seat.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
We do a lot of transports that people either have already received their transplant or they're going down for consult to a bigger hospital.
Okay.
That is definitely a frequent thing we do.
And you're in the central New York area?
Our base is Seneca Falls.
Seneca Falls.
We have 12 bases in the state, but we're in
Cool.
almost every state as well. Well, those aren't necessarily pens. They're actually needles that we use for certain ailments. But that Sharpie is actually a Sharpie.
Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Yeah, awesome. This is our country. Green fire truck.
Here we go.
And you got a purple one there too. This is a shiny, shiny truck. Let's go see Josh. How was it, Josh? Good. Let me see you,
Get a
buddy.
picture?
Whoa. All right, put the glasses down.
Yeah, just like Fire Sam. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much. How's the patient? Good. Make sure they're getting all the medicine they need and the oxygen. So this is a firefighter truck for places that you can't get to on the road. It's an off-road fire truck for roads, crazy snow.
No, there's not a warning.
Like the helicopter's coming. Yes. Just goes vertically up and then it's on. Later, guys. Gas prices are high. Always getting fuel. My goodness. Here we go! Nice beautiful day here in Fulton. Time to check out the playground here in the Memorial Park. Thank you to all the brave servicemen and servicewomen who allow us to have our freedom. God bless you and your families. And thank you for watching. And definitely check out Big Trucks Day every May in Fulton, New York. Beautiful event, guys. Amazing. You're never going to see an event like this anywhere else. I don't think so. Have a great day, everyone. All the best. Be well. Good climbing, Sam. Oh no, please don't tell me you're gonna try to jump that. That's way too high. I told you, it's too high. Oh no, something got in Noah's eye.